We're now going to take a look at the second rule using Masuda Asi shadows, and we are actually looking for between 3 and 5 harami patterns in an uptrend, which will hopefully point to the possibility of a near-term top and followed by a correction in the shares or a sideways trading range. So I've got here the chart for 9984 SoftBank, and I've just expanded the Masuda Asi chart in the top, and I've also reduced the time span so that we can actually see the Masuda Asi detail a little bit more clearly. So beginning from this turning point here, let's count the number of obvious haramis that we can see. I think there's one straight off there, where we have this long body enclosing about the next 3 Masuda Asi real bodies and the shadows as well. And then we have this one also covering several around here. So that's 2 so far. Then we go up and up and up. Then we have number 3 here, clearly covering there, and number 4. It's very hard to see that one, but that is also a harami pattern. So we've had 1, 2, 3, 4. Just let me mark those again to remind you. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And this is followed by a correction in the shares. So that is all going according to plan. Let's go back in time a little bit further and find another rising trend phase. Here's another one here. Let's count what we have within this block. First of all, we can find the turning point here. There's one that the first pattern is actually a harami right there. This is also a harami, as is this. That's 3, 4, and 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, followed by a correction. At least we know that this is a near-term top and that it's not going to go in this direction any further. So if we had started from here, around this level, if we'd bought into the stock around this level and we had counted 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 haramis up to here, we would know based on the rule that this indicates the possibility of a near-term turning point. So we would think, around here might be a nice time to get out, close our position, and we would have made about this much profit. So that's a pretty good tool to have handy. So the Masuda Asi shadows can be very versatile, particularly for identifying trends. If you remember, we have pink area indicates an uptrend, the blue area indicates a downtrend. And in the pink, it's pretty safe to buy if you can get in while the trend is still strong, but it's not advisable to buy in a declining phase, which is the blue area. This is back to SoftBank as of the day that this was recorded. You can see here that over time, through April, May, June, the stock was quite weak, but it's then picked up from around early to mid-June. And although it has had a significant correction there, it's back on an uptrend. This looks like another dip, and the question is, how will it go from here? That's all for this lesson, lesson 11. The next lesson, 12, will be on the predictor line group. So